Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer money from Telegram wallet to bank account. Now there is no real way of directly withdrawing it, so what you need to do is use an intermediary stage. Let's say that we have dogs in our Telegram wallet and we are going to use that as an example. Then what we're going to do is click on send. Unfortunately, I don't have any crypto, but it should look something like this. And then you're going to click on external wallet and then tap on dogs because we want to transfer dogs. And then right over here, it's going to ask for your deposit address and the memo. To get that, you want to head back into Binance, is click on deposit crypto, and then select dogs by searching over here. After that, select the network and then click on OK. Now you see the deposit address and memo. Just copy it and paste them. And once it's deposited into your Binance account, you just need to withdraw it. And there you go. This is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.